Hello, dear student. Now we will check the free sites which are used to download the books. The books related to science, history. You can download your book of interest by looking these three sites. One is pk1lib.org. This is a very good site to locate the books of your interest. For example, if I require the book of biochemistry, I put the keyword biochemistry, then I will go for the search. It will give all the books related to biochemistry. This first book, which is very important, is Lellinger biochemistry, then Harper biochemistry, then Lippincott biochemistry. So you can find out all the free books which are with the latest edition by using the PK1 Library ORG site. Then the second site is the pdfdrive.com. This site is also freely available to download the books. For example, if I want the books of anatomy, then I put anatomy in it, then search it. All the books related to anatomy will come towards the search box. Millions books are available in a PDF Drive .com site, so you can easily download it and use it. Your required books. Then we have NCBI book data. You have to go to the NCBI site. Then you have to put the word biochemistry or any related to your. If you are using the internet of university, then you can have many books related to your choice. For example, I put the single word of biochemistry. There are many books related to molecular biology and biochemistry. There is it is a very important book, biochemistry fifth edition, Bird's biochemistry book style. Okay. So Berg and Styles biochemistry is very important. You can download any book by using these three sites. Then if we want to download some journal articles, then you have to select the articles in the NCBI sites, PubMed. You have to select PubMed. Okay. Then you can download any book related to your medical research. Let's go. I want to download the article related to biochemistry. Then I put the term biochemistry. All the article related to biochemistry, keyword biochemistry comes in. You can download here and can use in your search. So this is very basic site, NCBI, where you can download article of your site. Okay. And if you have hindrance of any article, then you can use Science Hub site to download the paper. Here is the Science Hub. You have to put the HTML version of your article here. Then you can open it. Then you can download that article which are not able to download in. You have to pay for the article. If you don't want to pay for the article, then you can use the Science Hub site to download your paper. So these are the four more useful sites to download the books and articles. One is the pk1lib.org, pk1 library.organization. The second is the PDF drive. You can download any book related to your topic. Then the third is PubMed. You can download any article from the PubMed. Then you can download any article which you have to pay money for that. okay, by using the Science Hub site. So you can download any books related to your topic by using these sites. Thanks sir. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो इसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इसको फिर लाइक करके शेयर कर दें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।